I can use less budget and be able to get statistically significant results to tell my client within even a week. So this has completely revolutionized the way we are creative testing. I'm sure many of you have been utilizing dynamic ads for a while now, but what I'm sure maybe not all of you are utilizing is dynamic creative testing. And dynamic creative testing, I'm convinced, is one of the best machine learning features that has been released by Facebook to date. And so what dynamic creative testing allows you to do, again, it's simple setup. On the ad set, you toggle on a switch that says dynamic creative on, and what you can do is on the ad, you can upload different videos, different images, top text, headlines, and Facebook will dynamically test each of those variations against each other and tell you which is the best combination for your target audience. It's very cool, and it's completely revolutionized how we creative test at our agency. So to show you the old way we used to media buy, which I'm sure a lot of you can relate to, if we wanted to do creative testing, testing out different thumbnails, headline, top text videos, we would have to build out each variation as their own ad. Not only was this extremely time intensive, but also it was very difficult to get statistically significant learnings on each variable. It took a lot of budget in order to spend enough on each variable to know which was actually driving performance for our audience. So the new way of creative testing, and what I've been leveraging in all my ad accounts, was dynamic creative. So uploading all the different variations, but it's all within one ad. And then Facebook is dynamically testing each variation against each other to find which combination is going to perform best for your audience. And to show you a bit about the setup, so when you toggle on dynamic creative on the ad set level, when you build the ad, you'll be able to upload different photos, different videos, and then if you want to see the results of your dynamic creative, all you simply have to do is go into the breakdowns in Ads Manager, and you could break down by video, headline, top text, so you can see the best performing variable for all of your creative testing. So this has allowed me to be able to build creative testing much faster and also get creative results much faster. So I can use less budget and be able to get statistically significant results to tell my client within even a week. So this has completely revolutionized the way we are creative testing. Plus, the way the algorithm works is that the more creative variables that you give the algorithm, the better it can optimize. It optimizes on the user level. So if they know one person is more likely to convert from a short form video versus long form versus image, it's going to serve the variation that that person is most likely to convert on. So it's going to be in your best interest from a performance perspective as well to be utilizing dynamic creative testing.